Alright guys, so we're all set up, super pumped. We're taking the Scout out. It's been a couple months. It's only the third time on saltwater for me, taking the motor out, and got an invite from a pretty brand new subscriber, and invited me out. Seems like a cool guy. He's bringing his boy out to fish. We're gonna scoot around here in the Long Beach area, and I think we're gonna hit the rigs. And I'm all set up here. I think I did everything right. Still learning the ropes here, and hopefully we won't do anything silly today. And just gonna have a lot of fun. We're going to run a variety of applications. I'll show you along the way. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let's have a blast. I'm here with my buddy Todd and his boy Troy. We're gonna hit Long Beach. Heck yeah. We're gonna catch some fish and hopefully not do something dumb. Todd's gonna look out for me. This is my favorite part of going on the boat. It's like that launch, man. So Todd's got a little bait tank on his skiff, so he's getting a little scoop there. Alright guys, we're here at the wheel rigs, and we're going to reposition ourselves here real quick and let's get a bite. There's a lot of boats here, and my first time. Oh, okay, Todd picked up something, a little calico, so we're going to see if we can pick something up here. Let's reposition ourselves and go for it. Nice slime stick. Barracuda. Alright, we're gonna try switching over to a Lucky Craft 130 flash minnow. Beautiful pattern. I haven't really thrown this one that much because I normally fish shallow waters. This one's gonna dive. It's suspending, but I think it'll dip down a little lower. See if we can get a bite here. Gotta break the skunk here. How many you got, Troy? Huh? 20 feet. Seeing crazy stuff on the fish finder, guys. Who knows? I'll take a mackerel at this point. Double! Alright guys, going with the frozen grunion. Gonna go with the real thing here. I'm jonesing for a bite. Got it, throwing it on a sea rig. And I just need a bite here, so toss it out. Fish on, guys. This is refueling up. It's a small one. A little calico. Beat the skunk. When you're jonesing for a bite, you gotta do what you gotta do. Cut small little calico on the grunion on the Carolina rig. Hey, we'll take it, man. So it's a slow pick as I try to figure this out. Live bait is definitely king. Tried getting them on the swim baits. They weren't biting that. So I'll just soak in a grunion down on the bottom. A little calico hit it. Figure if I keep doing that, I'll probably pick them off here and there. But we're gonna stick with it, try to figure out this bite. We're gonna experiment here and try to get something nicer, something bigger. We'll see. There's a bite. Oh man, missed them. All right, so they're definitely eating the grunion. I just missed another bite. Yeah, I got one over there. Yeah, I just missed one over here too. Calico. Oh, getting bit. Yeah, I'm getting bit. I'm throwing grunion. They're eating it. Yeah. Missing the bites. I think they're smaller fish anyways. I'm gonna try butt hooking this one. So that's 3 straight casts. So they're pretty much eating it like right when it hits the bottom. So the grunion is definitely working. We'll see if we can get one to stick here. There's a bite. There's a bite. There's There's a bite. Chewing on it. There we go, fish on. Small one again. It's gonna be a calico again. Wow. It's like the size of bait. This is up there in the size of the smallest fish ever caught. Alright, I got some shrimp here from the Asian market. Oh, Todd was on. There's a bite. Got him. It's a little better calico. That's a sand bass. Nice little sand bass. Phew. Sand bass on the grunion. Thanks for letting me catch you, buddy. Todd's hooked up. Oh, it looks like a good one. Calico? Oh, Todd's on a nice sand bass. See him bring it up. Oh, that's illegal. That's illegal. Maybe a 15 or 16. Nice fish. Todd and his son killing it today. Out on the rigs. Oh, nice. You got two legals, third legal. Nice. Let that one go. Dad's got to show you how it's done, yeah? That's right. 4 by yourself? It's been a slow pick for me.
You want some sardines?
I'm thinking about it now. Todd's on something huge. Is he moving? Oh shoot. Might be a huge halibut. It's either a huge ray, hopefully it's a halibut.
This might be a black sea bass.
Yeah, maybe.
Giant one.
Maybe.
It's like a school bus.
Yeah.
It's pulling me and I keep pulling it off the ground.
Wow. So Todd's on something huge here. We're gonna wait this out. Get him in. You need like a heavier rod to pin him down, you know? Oh! Oh no! Oh, sculpin. I don't want anything to do with that. Small little guy. Good eating when they're legal, but they're also poisonous. So I got a little sculpin here, guys. Ate the piece of squid. So we are getting on the bottom there. At least there's something down there. We don't want to touch this. Alright, got that thing back down. Alright guys, so it's been a pretty slow day for me. Still super fun, first time doing this. And we're gonna start heading in. We're heading towards the bait barge, but I'm gonna be trolling this deep diving Lucky Craft and see if that gets picked up by something. Who knows, maybe we'll get lucky. So anyways, it's been super fun. And we're gonna start heading in and we'll see how it goes. Take care.